In this video, you'll learn how to restrict teamspace creation in Notion to only the workspace owner. By following these steps, you will ensure that only authorized individuals can create new teamspaces. First, navigate to the Notion website by entering notion.so in your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Notion homepage, which features various options for logging in or creating an account. Next, locate the profile icon in the sidebar, which is typically positioned in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with options related to your account and workspace settings. After that, select the settings option from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the settings screen where you can configure various aspects of Once you're in the settings, look for the account tab on the left side of the screen, click on account to access specific settings related to your user account and workspace management. Following this, click on the workspace option in the menu. This section allows you to manage your workspace settings, including permissions and teamspace configurations. Now find and select teamspaces from the workspace settings menu. This area provides options to manage how teamspaces are created and who can create them. Next, click on Teamspace Settings to open the configuration page for teamspaces. Here you will find various options that control the creation and management of teamspaces within your workspace. Look for the option labeled Limit Teamspace Creation to Only Workspace Owners. Click on this option to reveal a toggle switch that enables this restriction. After that, ensure you click on Only Allow Workspace Owners to create teamspaces. This step is crucial as it sets the permission level for Teams creation. Now, toggle the switch to activate the limit on workspace owners. This action will restrict the ability to create team spaces exclusively to the workspace owner. Once you've made this selection, a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure about this change. Click on Limit Team Space Creation to Only Workspace Owners to proceed. Finally, click on the Confirm button in the prompt to finalize your settings. A confirmation message will indicate that your changes have been saved successfully. To complete the process, click on the Close button to exit the settings menu. You will return to the main workspace interface and the changes will take effect immediately.